Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm doing Park Tycoon with if with Elijah. It took me a long to say Elijah. Okay. Hi. So on his channel, we're both starting a vid. We both did a video. When you already started, he's doing the video on his channel, and I'm doing a video on my channel. So subscribe to both our channels. I started a vid. Say that. Hello. Yes. Yes, Elijah. Yes. He wants me to ride this ride, or do you want me to delete that ride? Oh, he wants me to ride with him. No. I'm gonna ask him. You started a vid on your channel? You started a vid on your channel? Ask. You started a vid on your channel? That's how you say it. Oh my god. Two. We're both. Hi, Ari. He's not a real YouTuber. I know, he's just saying that. No, I'm gonna roast him though. My channel. Watch this. Where is he even going? I have to. Oh, he's going back. Just troll him. Where is he going? Does he even say a name on it? Whoa. Is that his? Yeah, it is. You're going to look. Shut up. Our channels. Shout out to him for subscribing. Yay! So Elijah, if you're watching, the deal's all from, I said you said that I have to stop asking people that remember you said to stop asking people to sub to my channel at 45 subs. It's off. It's off. Sorry. I want people to sub to my channel. And shout out to whoever said that thing to me. Shout out. I'm gonna ask him. Yes. Or real. I'm gonna ask him. Your channel is fake. Alright, whoever is about to come in, I'm doing a video. Exactly, no response. Yeah. It is fake. If your but did you even search up my channel? Did you even search up my channel and his? Did you even search up my if you didn't, it's fake. No, if you didn't, your channel fake. Sorry guys, I got like he just said, "Yeah, you don't have a fake channel." I'm saying sub to ours, sub to mine and his. We sub to yours. And if you I'm gonna say sub to yours. Okay, we're gonna stop talking about. Dang, 7 minutes already pass. Okay, I'm gonna start talking. Shout out to me and Elijah, Maya, Clement, whoever started to watch, was watching. Oh my god. Let me sit. No. Okay. Actually, I wanna know how to build stuff. Like, if I. Dang, you guys wanna see how much money I'm making right now? Right here. I'm gonna put the camera down right here. I feel like it's odd, like, if I put it, like, right here, literally. It feels like it's odd, because I want to see my face. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna tell him. Sub to mine and his period, and we will sub to yours. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it. What? I'm put. We are in a. We're in a middle of a video. Okay. Don't say bad words. Yeah, stop. Stop or I'm reporting you of cussing. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking in the chat no more. But it's only till like yeah. It is. Okay, so I'm gonna run from him, seriously. Bye, Elijah. Bye, I'm gonna leave you. See you at my place. This is his place. His place. That guy's place belonged in a trash. Bye. I don't care. I'm not talking to that dude. I gave Elijah building rights, so he can do anything to my thing. I'm allowed to say it. No. No. I'm gonna say, not in a video. Now I just lost Elijah. Elijah, where are you? I need to find you. Hold on, I have to get on to the top of this. I guess he went back to his place. I'm not gonna do the outro because of this. He called me Nolo. He called me Nolo. What's this? Let's see it, run. What the heck? Oh, hi, Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Where's Elijah? Elijah! Oh, right there. See down? So, who cares if you have the most money? Who cares? Who cares? Says the channel is fake. Says our channel is fake. Your channel is fake. I'm not even looking it up because you said our channel's fake. Yeah, who cares? Who cares has the most money? At least it matters whoever's tycoon is doing the best. It just matters whoever's tycoon is the best. But the vid is going to end. The vid is going to end.